guys, it's Susan from Marytown Crafts. So I put in a brand new ink cartridge day before yesterday, and I went to print out some fussy cuts, and they came out like this. So I found the solution, and I'll show you how they went from this to this. Okay, if you happen to be on an HP Envy Inspire printer, or maybe this applies to all HPs, I don't know, and it has this little touch screen here. What you do is tap on it, and you're going to see that gear icon at the very top left. You're going to tap on that, and then you'll see it again at the top left. You're going to tap on it again, and then you're going to scroll down until you come to printer maintenance. You're going to tap on that arrow, and you'll see clean cartridges at the top. So you're going to want to run one piece of copy paper, maybe two. I ended up doing three, but really it was good by two. And for me, that did the trick and got it printing just right. So, you know, a lot of you may have a different type of printer that you're working with. So I'll leave some general instructions for what you might want to try with other types. And then probably I would just look up a video for your particular printer model. But I sure do hope that this was helpful for somebody, and I appreciate you stopping by. So I will go ahead and leave instructions for other ideas that you might try if you're on a different type of printer. But if you're curious about what I ended up doing with these fussy cuts, check out this next video.